Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro using application. You have to start by open QCY application and your headphones should be turned on and connected with the phone. If you add them to the application open for you this menu. Go to the settings at the middle top, and right here you need to scroll down a bit and find headset line. Tap at this line, and now we can play the sound for the earbuds. Also, if you allow access to location, you can check them at the map. So click play sound, and now it will play the sound. To increase the volume for the sound, you need to increase the volume on your phone. So open control panel and just increase it. Or lower it, it's up to you. When you found your earbuds, you need to click pause, and that's it. And the best part, so usually when we use features like Find My, your headphones should be or inside the charging case or in the charging case, but the lid should be opened because without it, usually, you cannot find them, because these headphones disconnected. But for these earbuds, we can also put them to the charging case, close the case, and we still can use it, and we hear the prompt. So, that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!